Today I was able to purchase the first hot cocoa bombs made by Just Because Bakery located here in Blooming Prairie, Minnesota. A 6-pack came with 3 flavors including milk chocolate, white chocolate, and dark chocolate. The first hot cocoa bomb I made tonight was milk chocolate, as that is my favorite flavor. I heated 12 ounces of whole milk in a saucepan on my stove set to medium heat for approximately 3 minutes. There are most likely faster ways to do this, but I prefer to heat my milk on the stove so I can keep a close eye on it and continually stir it. If you have a milk frother, that would be another option to heat your milk up. I don't recommend using the microwave unless you are able to keep a very close eye on it to prevent it from boiling over, and can take it out and stir to get it to come to temp. As the milk is heating on the stove, it gets thicker and the volume of it grows in height, and it'll start to coat the back of your spatula. I prefer whole milk when I make my homemade hot chocolate, so I did the same today when making a hot cocoa bomb. If you're going to indulge in life, you might as well go for the whole fat milk. As the milk gets thicker, it'll start to boil up along the sides of the pan, and it's getting close to being turned off. No one wants milk all over their stove. It's no fun to clean up. I poured my hot steamy milk on top of my hot cocoa bomb in a tall cup that can hold about 14 ounces. As you recall, I heated 12 ounces of milk. I slowly poured the milk over my hot cocoa bomb to give it time to break open and expose the hot cocoa mix inside. Then stir your hot cocoa bomb with a spoon. Add a few more marshmallows and enjoy. This cup was perfect, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. Hot cocoa bombs can be purchased at Just Because Bakery, Blooming Prairie, Minnesota.